Kick? He kicks the ball. The boy kicks the door. The boy kicks the door. Punch. He punches the bag. The boxer punches his opponent. The boxer punches his opponent. Hit. He hits the ball with a bat. She hits the table by accident. She hits the table by accident. Tap. She taps the table. He taps on the door. He taps on the door. Pat. She pats the dog. He pats his friend on the back. He pats his friend on the back. Shake. He shakes the bottle. She shakes her head. She shakes her head. Wave. She waves her hand. He waves to his friend. He waves to his friend. Point. He points at the map. She points to the door. She points to the door. Reach. He reaches for the book. She reaches the top of the hill. She reaches the top of the hill. Stretch. She stretches her arms. He stretches before exercise. He stretches before exercise.